Semi-automatic swing arm type pneumatic deluxe tire changer with double helper arms and enlarged turntable. Install the machine, connect the power supply and air supply. Treat turntable rotation paddle. Turntable rotates in a clockwise direction. Lift the turntable rotation paddle. Turntable rotates in an anti-clockwise direction. Completely treat clamping paddle. 4 jaws open. Treat again. Jaws close. Thread bead breaker paddle. Bead breaker shuffles moves inwards. Loose bead braking paddle. Bead braking shovel returns to original position. Handle for lifting and lowering right helper arm roller. Locking switch of right helper arm. Swing arm pneumatic lock. Adjust the left helper arm. Automatic digital air inflator. Remove valve cord. Press tire loose. Position the 4 clamping jaws. Put the tire on the turntable. Central positioning head of left helper arm presses rim to make tire and rim detached. Lock the rim. Lower the tire pressing head of left helper arm. Lower the mounting head. Adjust the mounting head close to rim edge and lock the vertical arm. Lower the roller of right helper arm. Separate the tire from the wheel rim. Smear lubricant oil on the tire bead. Insert the lifting lever between the mounting bead and the right roller. Lower the lift helper arm. At the diagonal of the mounting head, move the tire bead above the mounting head. Rotate the turntable to mount the top tire layer. Install the tire lifting block to lift the tire. Lift the tire bead up to the front mounting head. With the lifting lever, rotate the turntable to mount the below tire bead. Smear tire lubricant oil on the tire bead. Put the tire on the rim. Lower the mounting head to rim edge and lock it. Put the bottom tire bead between rear top and front bottom of the mounting